Boneddigion a Boneddigesau, ladies and gentlemen. My great-grandfather, His Majesty King George V, visited Swansea to lay the foundation stone of the University College of Swansea in Singleton Park. It is now a world-class research institution with staff, students and partnerships spanning the globe. In 1920, the university was founded upon the values of innovation, industry and enterprise, with a mission to support its community and develop the highly skilled pioneers of the future. These commitments reflect the university's mission to serve its community, educate its people, tackle the global challenges of the day, and provide a home and support. These are the values upon which the institution was founded in 1920, and I am delighted they remain at the heart of its mission today. I visited in the summer of 2016 to open officially the university's Bay campus, in whose design, incidentally, my own foundation had played a part. And on that visit, I found the institution in the best of spirits and fully ready to meet the challenges of the future.